In this lesson, we will go through which logs are recorded and contained in the FMD ECDIS. The FMD ECDIS uses these logs to record various items during a voyage, like movement and position of your ship, and dangerous targets from the connected radar and AIS receiver. It also records which chart cells you use during your voyage, and all the updates done to your chart cells. All these logs are so that you can document every step of your voyage, for example in case of an incident or accident investigation. Logs available for the operator are Chart Update Log, Details Log, Alert Log, Danger Target Log, Voyage Log, Chart Usage Log, and the Playback function. You can access almost all logs. Just click on the Log button to slide out the Log selection bar.
To access the Chart Update Log, you have to press the Log button on the Instant Access bar, and then choose Update Log. You then have the choice to see either the log for the ENCs, RNCs, or the CMAP charts. The Chart Update Log can be used as documentation of chart update operations performed in the ECDIS. We choose to look at the ENC log, but the function of the RNC and the CMAP logs are exactly the same. It records information on which charts you install, update, or delete. The log will also record the addition of the installed chart, and it will record the update version applied to a chart cell. Information is recorded in the log every time the auto-import function is used, and every time the operator changes the content of the chart database manually. The log will show you the oldest entry at the top of the log and the newest at the bottom of the log. It is not possible to reverse the display to get the newest entry at the top. In the bottom of the log display, you can select to show data for a specific period if you use the Set Period function. You set the date and the time for the period and click on the Set Period button. Click on the Clear Period button to view the entire log again. Use the Find function to search for updates applied to a specific chart cell. The Refresh button updates the log with the latest entries into the log. The Print Text button allows you to print out a copy of the chart update log if you have a compatible printer connected to the ECDIS. You can export the log in text format by clicking on the Export button and uploading it to a USB key.
To view the chart usage log, you must click on the Log button in the Instant Access bar. Select NARV Log and click on the Chart Usage button. The chart usage log can be used as documentation of how the navigators have used the charts in the ECDIS during the voyage. The log continuously records which charts you use and in which scale you view them. This information is recorded in the log with 1-minute intervals. In the chart usage log, you will among other things see the cell name, which is basically the ENC chart name. The producer code, this will tell you from where the chart originates, like GB is Great Britain. You can see the edition number and issue date of the ENC base cell that was displayed. You can see the latest update that had been applied to that cell at the time of display. Display scale shows you which scale the chart display was set to when the chart was used. Compilation scale shows you the original production compilation scale, that is the intended standard viewing scale of the chart. Status tells you if the chart is up to date or not. Updates show you all the updates done to the chart. Like in the previously mentioned logs that are available in the ECDIS, you can select to show log data for a specific period with the set period function. Enter the period to show with period covered UTC, then click the Set Period button. When finished, use the Clear Period button to get back to normal view of the log. To refresh the log with the newest entries, press the Refresh button. To see a specific entry in the log, use the Find function to search for it. You can export the log as a text file to a USB key by clicking on the button Export.